Bro, what is so funny?
Bro, you gotta hear this meme. It's hilarious.
Alright, let's hear it.
6,000 languages in the world and you decide.
Shut the fuck up. They're not even funny. You're literally laughing for no fucking reason. Not even my 5-year-old nephew would think that's funny. Is that your girlfriend's phone? Give me that shit right now. I said give me that shit.
Parents be like, don't lie. Lying is wrong. Santa, Easter Bunny, Tooth Fairy, Harry Potter. Apparently cracking my knuckles is going to give me arthritis. I peed in the pool. Did it change color? No. Is your name even?
Last night I went to go get ice cream, and as I was walking, I got hit by a car, bro.
Bro, what the hell?
Yeah, right.
Why would you get ice cream without me?
But are you shitting me?
Is that allowed too?
I just want to know why the one time my face is beat and my hair is laid and my outfit's on point, ain't no paparazzi people.
Say hi. Say hi.
Yes, sir, I am. You may be old, but are you this old?
I don't really want no further. He tryna 69 like Takashi.
People don't even say bless you anymore. They just look at you like this. Doing homework in the middle of the night. How the fuck he writing with a spoon? I thought this lady was staring at me for 5 minutes, so I realized it was just a magazine. That has scared the shit out of me. When you get home from a long day at work, your girlfriend asks if you still love her. She is a lamp.
Does your friend speak English? Yes. Name? Willie Ben Chang. Sex? 3 to 4 times a week. No, I mean male or female? Male, female, sometimes animal. Holy cow! Cow, sheep, chicken too. But isn't it hostile? Horsey style, donkey style, and any style. Oh dear. No, deer run too fast.
Are you new here? Yeah.
Just another day of waking up and continuing to fill my head with fake scenarios, overstimulating my senses with music and social media as I continue to be alone because I cannot establish healthy, consistent communication with any of my friends and disappear from their life for weeks on end without any proper explanation. To function and exist because you have no choice but to.
Alright, describe yourself in one word. Hired. Fuck, can you do that? Well, it says here you're good at mathematics, so what's 69 times 420? 37. That wasn't even close. Yeah, but it was quick. Fuck, you're hired. You're a bitch. I know.
Which class do I need to take to understand woman? Cause yes means no. I need space. I want cuddles. I'm hungry. You better serve me, peasant. I'm not mad. I already slashed your tires. I'm on my period.
My plan is that I will be pilot and I'll help everyone. Pilot.
Yeah, he's a pilot. Great.
Decided to explore this tunnel and came back to this. How do we get out?
She's my best friend. Break her heart, I'll break your face.
Can't spell independent without dependent, and you can't spell go yourself without you.
Hey, good morning, Kanye.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, so you're this? Yeah. But you want this? Yeah. Okay, so in order to get that, you'd have to do this.
What animal would you trust with your life? I'll go first.
I would choose a cat.
be on my way and I won't be long.
Oh my god, come on, Ray. What the fuck?
If you're ever sad, just go for a run, because then you'll realize that your physical health is worse than your mental health.
And where are you going? Nowhere. I used to go nowhere at 2 a.m. when I was your age. You ain't slick. This gotta be your first time sneaking out, because you are fucking it up. You stepped on all the squeaky stairs. I don't know how you didn't wake up your mother. Second, you're supposed to flush a toilet or something to mask the sound when you open the door. Like, this is beginner level shit. Like, you obviously don't get played that often. Let me ask you this. What time does your mother usually wake up? You don't know. Look at you. You have to know her schedule. How you gonna sneak back in if she already up? Come on, this is sneaking out 101, dummy. I'm gonna lock up behind you. When you come back in, use the back door. It's less noisy. And when you park the car on the side of the house. Don't pull back in the driveway. And if she catch your ass, this conversation never happened. I didn't see you, you didn't see me. Get out of here. Time is ticking, Cinderella.
My stepmom said she would give me $69 to use my shower head. I don't understand why she wants it so bad. Does anyone in the comments know? It is pretty sweet though.
In Russia, we don't say, hey, you know, I really want to change our government. Instead, we Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin talking right now. We took a look in this person's account and we solved the problem. We can reassure you that we solved it.